Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and uninstall games on your PlayStation 4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're gonna go ahead, go to your PlayStation 4, right? And then afterwards you're gonna go ahead, go to this games menu there will be this games menu, right? Simply go ahead, tap on that, and then you're gonna find all kind of games that you have installed right there. So you're gonna go ahead, highlight the desired game that you would like to uninstall, right? Once you have highlighted that, then you're gonna go ahead, press the option button, and that will be on your controller, and select delete from the menu. Once you have done so, you can find the delete option, and it gonna ask for you to confirm your choice again. And then once you have confirmed your choice, your game will be uninstalled, just like that, simply. The process is very simple. For you to access your games menu, highlight the particular game that you would like to uninstall and use your controller to select the option of deleting it, and you will be able to confirm and delete your app and aka uninstall it. That will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.